Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix League of Legends crashing. It's easy. If you want to fix this, all you have to do is just click here and then type Windows Update Settings and then click check for updates, and after that just wait and install all the updates that you can find here, and then go back and then go to Riot Games file location. And here we'll find League of Legends file. Click on it and then click game, right click on it, go to properties and go to compatibility. Now enable those two options here, and first option make it for Windows 7, apply and OK. That's it. After that open League of Legends, go to settings and then game and enable this option. That's it, your problem must be fixed. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.